It's timing around the 6 p.m. Now started the investment topic derivative. What is the derivative? Derivative is a financial contract whose value is derived from the underlying assets. So what is the value is deriving from underlying asset? Underlying assets is just as for example like gold, some type of other assets like commodities, other assets which are used in the contract. There are so many stocks also. There are also many option price. This is a already derivative underlying assets. But how the value is driven? Value is driven. I just given example. For example, there is a future, there is an option. There are two types of derivatives. Uh, when the future or option contract is based on the linked to the another to the price of another real financial asset is called underlying asset. Like underlying asset, when there is a future contract or the option contract, there is a link between the one price of asset is another the real financial asset. It is called underlying asset. Underlying asset is gold, and derivative is the future gold future. So if the price of the gold means underlying asset in market goes up increase, so the value of the derivative means gold future contract also increases. If the price of the gold in the market goes up, price of the gold means price of the gold is we are have an underlying asset, and the value of the gold future a contract means this is our derivative increases, both are increases. If price of the gold decreases, value of the future contract also decreases. What is a gold future contract? Gold future contract is, for example, just we have, I am a buyer, you are a seller. So I will buy at a gold at a future price. I will ask you to give a gold but at a future price, and you will also agree to sell gold at a future price. So this would be have to the derivative contract or a gold future contract. So in the and when the contract is finished or contract is expired, the final date is decided. So at that time you have to be, I have to pay to your payment. What type of payment is the price of the gold. So it means expiry date or maturity date. After expiry date, contract is no longer valid. So date I've decided when the and expiry date means a contract is over, so contract is no longer valid. But this date or that date when the maturity date come, when the contract is come, when the contract is finished, this date would be I pay to the price. For example, suppose uh, in the June, you buy a gold future contract. Suppose you buy a June gold future contract on 5 May. Means you buy a gold future contract on 5 May. So expiry date is 28 June. So in this date the final price is means the final price is decided on the final expiry date. This is the June 28. So this would be decided to your contract prices. So how much amount you should be pay to, I will pay to you. This would be the concept. This is a very important concept, and so it's complicated concept. I also confuse in this concept. So first point is that economic function of the derivative. This is not point. This is just like a economic function of derivative market. The first point is that derivative market reflects the perception of the participants about the future price of the underlying asset. So derivative asset is, what is a derivative asset? Derivative asset, but how it reflects the perception of the participants in the future price of the underlying asset. I also give a concept. Just wait. So how it reflects. So what are the participants? Participants is like a traders, investors, speculators, hedgers. All are these are participants. So these participants are available information. These participants available information means they have collected information from various particular platforms, just like news, political news, economic trends, etc. So means they have to be fully aware and knowledge about the economic data. What are the company earning, company profit, company loss, political, they have everything note, and then after they started to their and collected information. So from where the prediction about the price of asset is going. So they also knew, well, I am the participant, I wanted to know about the company's earning, so I will know about that. From me means what are the what are the company stand, what are the company predict in the coming days. So from where it is just like a they are also uh, have a prediction, they have estimation, they have expectations about price of the asset is going, means price of this is going the up and down. This would be estimation. This perception is just known as a prediction. This would be the estimation. For example, uh, in the future the price of the gold is 1,000, but the in the future is the price of gold is increased up to the 1,050. So it reflected the also derivative price. If the price of the gold increases, derivative price is also increases. If the price of the gold is decreases, for example, first is 1,000 and after is 950, so it is called the bearish sentiments, means prices fall. Conclusion. What is conclusion? Conclusion is forward looking nature. Forward looking nature means future price are for the future date, so traders must predict where the asset is headed. Future price means we have to decide it in the future at future date. So trader must already predict about where the asset is gonna, when where the asset is stable, how much we should able to decided a particular price of the asset. Next is speculation and hedging. Speculators also bet on according to the asset upgrade. This is also a little bit of stock marketing. Speculation and hedging. Speculation try to bet on prices, but there is chance of less risk on the asset. So hedger are try to protect. Hedger are try to protect. Both action are based on the expectation. This would be the graph that's up and down, up and down. This is called reflection. So what are the conclusion? Conclusion: the derivative market act as a mirror. Yes, this is just like a mirror. Very important line. What trader believe will happen to asset price in the future. Very important. I am a trader. I will know. I will show my image. All obviously, genuinely about what happened to the asset price in the future. So the prices of the future and the option are not just maths, they are driven by the perception, they are the sentiments and prediction. Three important things is I just give it the perception, sentiment and prediction. So matching derivative prices can help analyze and investors understand market sentiments before actual price changes happen in the spot market. I will again repeated this line is that the investors, the derivative market act is just like a mirror of what the trader or believe will happen to the asset price will be in the future. So the derivative market is just like a act in the mirror, act just like a act mirror that what traders will be in uh, believe a lot will happen to asset prices in the future. So the prices of the future and the option, they are the two types of not name. The prices of the future and the option are not just the math, they are just driven by the sentiments, prediction and the expectations and perception. So matching derivative prices can help analysis. Matching the derivative prices and analyzes investor, it will help analyzes investors understand market sentiments before actual the prices changes happen in the spot market. So the what is a derivative market act like a mirror, and in the conclusion I would definitely say that the derivative market it acts as like a mirror of what a trader will believe will happen to it asset prices in the future, what will be the asset price in the future. So the prices of the future and the options that are not just the maths, that it is driven by the perception, sentiments and prediction. So matching the derivative prices can help the analyze and understand the investor about market sentiments, markets predictability, markets before actual the prices happen in the spot market. So it will understand the investor, it will help understand the investors market sentiments before actual price was changes yeah, headed in the spot market. Thank you so much. If you understand this topic, please comment, like and share. Okay, bye.